Alright guys, so I wanted to show you how to submit your assignments through Canvas. Listen, I just discovered something. I know you guys are a little bit better at technology than I am, but I just discovered something amazing and thought I would share. Okay, so first of all, you're going to go into where it says assignments. Okay, this is one of the options that you can do. So you can go to workbook page 3 and 4 or textbook page 10 or page 8, whatever assignment it is that you're trying to submit. Okay, maybe it's your syllabus that you're still trying to turn in, whatever. I'm just going to click on page 18 just because. Okay, I feel like it. I don't know. But what you're going to do, let me go put myself in student view so you can see it on your side. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the assignment, and up in the corner it says Submit Assignment. Okay, so you're going to click on that blue box, and then you have two choices. Choice number 1 is to do a file upload, and the choice number 2 would be Google Drive. I don't think you want to put anything in your studio. If you already have something in your studio, you can, I think, drag it over. K-12 practice you probably won't be using. I think the two choices that are going to be used the most are File Upload and Google Drive. If you choose to get a file, right, you have to click on the little box that says Choose File. Most of you know how to do this by now. Find whatever file it is and click it. So maybe you want to add a second picture because, you wrote really big or there's 2 pages you have to turn in, right? So you can click where it says Add Another File. Choose that file. So I picked number 1. Maybe I want to put number 2. Okay? And then you can submit assignment. The other option that you have is this Google Drive. And so I want to show you, oh, look, it celebrates for you. Yay, that's awesome. So the other thing I wanted to show you is your Google Drive and what that looks like. Now, on the student view for me, because I'm looking at it as a student, I don't actually have access to the Google Drive, and so I do want to show you just a couple of little details and then something amazing. All right, so on your little smarty phones, and I know you guys all have, right? If you have the Google Drive already downloaded, which would be cool if you did, okay? You're going to click on your Google Drive, and then there's a plus button. So I don't know if you see the plus at the bottom. Now, I know how to do this on an iPhone. I don't know how to do this on a Samsung. So if you have a Samsung or something, I apologize. I don't know how to do it. But anyway, on an iPhone, right, you're going to click the little plus sign, and we're going to use our camera. And then we're going to take a picture that will be legible for me to read, okay? So this looks decent enough for my purposes right now, so I'm going to use that photo. And then here's what you're going to do. Down at the bottom, it says all pending uploads have completed. So you're going to click where it says locate because you need to know what this picture is, okay? So it just located it for me. It looks like it is image 1354. So IMG_1354. Now, why is that important? I'm going to get out of my student view so that I can show you what that looks like on the Google Drive, okay? So on Google Drive, on Canvas, when you pull this up, you need to go find that photo. And so you can type in IMG_, and this one was 1354. I just did this with 1353 and experimented. So did I hit that type or image 1354? Let's try that again. There it is. Okay, so yeah, so image 1354. Here it is. I can open it, and it will show me what the picture is. So this is the picture that I just took, okay? Let me show you something even cooler than that, okay? So let's go back to our little iPhone. Here's the picture I just took, right? 1354. So if you click the little buttons on the side, if you happen to have the Canvas app on your phone, you can scroll, pull your screen up. You can go down to where it says Open In. Click on that. We're going to go find Canvas. So if Canvas doesn't show up in one of your things here, just scroll over to the More button and scroll and check that out. There's my Canvas student. Now watch this. If I click on Student, I can type this in, right? I can say, hey, Hunsicker, here you go. I did my best, which, by the way, is all I ever ask, okay? You can actually click on the course that you want to send this assignment to, and then you can click on the assignment. Now, I'm logged in as a student on my phone, and so it's not going to actually let me do anything. I don't have any courses in there. But that is amazing. So there's plenty of ways that you can do that. Please do not send me an email because I really want it in Canvas so that I can grade that assignment and give that back to you. Okay? Y'all are amazing. Have a great weekend.